Hello everybody. Today I'll be making mashed potatoes with cauliflower. Here I already have water and I'm adding salt to taste and cauliflower. I'm just breaking the cauliflower any way, any size. You do it your way, I do it my way. Okay, cover and let it cook. Alright, so this seems to be ready. Now I'm going to check if it's cooked and it seems to be nice and soft. So now it is time to strain this thing. Alright, so I strained it and now I'm going to be adding some delicious butter in there. You add butter as much as you want. Now to mash this up really good. I do the same thing with broccoli as well and it's so tasty. Now I'm adding black pepper, just a pinch, and mash it some more. Then I will cover it and leave it on low heat, much less than medium, because I will be adding some green onion and cheese. Yum. And give it a mix. Ready. So now cover and turn off the stove and leave it there so the cheese will melt nicely. Well, my friends, it's a bit too early for me to eat, so I'm waiting on my husband to come from work, which is a half an hour. So you will see the main picture on the thumbnail. I appreciate you all watching my videos. Thank you all. I appreciate your support. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my video. Help me grow this channel. Thumbs up, comment below. And I thank you all for watching and hope to see you again on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.